Cable cleats are specialized devices used to secure and restrain single conductors connected in parallel, particularly in applications where high short-circuit forces are anticipated. There are several benefits of using cable cleats. Firstly, cable cleats enhance short-circuit protection, preventing conductors from violently separating during a short-circuit event, minimizing damage and protecting infrastructure. Secondly, by keeping conductors together, cable cleats mitigate the risk of dangerous arc flashes. Thirdly, securing conductors in close proximity maximizes their current carrying capacity. Cable cleats ensure proper cable installation and prevent conductor movement, enhancing the overall reliability and safety of the electrical system. There are several types of cable cleats available, designed for specific applications and conductor configurations. Firstly, mechanical cleats use bolts or screws to clamp conductors in place. Secondly, compression cleats apply pressure to conductors to secure them. Thirdly, split bolt connectors connect parallel conductors with a bolted splice. Fourthly, insulated cleats provide electrical insulation in addition to mechanical support. One manufacturer of cable cleats is Tyco Electronics, which manufactures a wide range of cable cleats and other electrical connectors. There are other considerations that one must keep in mind. Firstly, cable cleats must be sized appropriately to ensure adequate conductor spacing for heat dissipation and minimizing short-circuit forces. Secondly, proper installation is crucial for the effectiveness of cable cleats. Thirdly, regular inspections and maintenance are recommended to ensure the integrity and functionality of cable cleats. Cable cleats are essential components for securing and restraining single conductors connected in parallel, especially in applications with high short-circuit currents. By mitigating the risk of conductor separation and arc flashes, cable cleats enhance the reliability, safety, and current carrying capacity of electrical systems. Oil and gas companies are among the industries that have recognized the value of cable cleats for protecting their electrical infrastructure.